Question number 9 says, an IV of 0.8 liters was started at 7 a.m. to infuse in 4 hours. At 8:30 a.m., 200 mLs have infused. The drop factor is 12 GTT per milliliter. Find the new rate to finish on time. So they're only asking for the new rate. They don't ask us to find the original rate. We're still using the formula, and the type of tubing that's used is the 12 GTT per ml. And because this is the new rate, this has to be the time that's left, and this has to be the amount that's left in the bag. Okay, so we have 0.8 liters at the start, which is 800 mLs. And then at 8:30, 200 mLs have infused. So I need to subtract 200 from 800 to get that 600 mLs are left. And then with the time, it's supposed to infuse in 4 hours. And our starting time is 7 a.m. and it says at 8:30 a.m. So that's 1.5 hours that have passed of the 4 hours. So I need to take 4 minus 1.5 to get 2.5 hours, and then multiply 2.5 hours by 60 to get 150 minutes that are left. So 600 times 12 divided by 150, and we get 48. So 48 GTT per minute.